Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the system safe. Power off, unplug, and wait 5 to 10 minutes so residual charge dissipates. Once done, move to a clean, static-free table. An ESD strap is ideal to prevent damage. Next, locate the release tabs along the top rear edge of the Ps5. Press and slide each white outer panel toward the back, then lift at the corners. You should feel the clips release, do not force them, because broken clips mean a messy repair later. Now prepare the plastic for a durable finish. Lightly scuff the panels with 400-800 grit sandpaper to give paint grip, and then clean thoroughly with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol so oils won't repel paint. After that, mask vents and button openings with painter's tape to protect functionality. Apply a plastic-specific primer in thin, even passes. Once tack-free, spray 2-3 thin color coats, waiting 10-15 minutes between passes. Make sure the room is cool. To finish, apply one clear coat, matte or gloss, to seal and protect the color. Let the panels cure for 24 to 48 hours so the finish hardens. When reassembling, align the tabs at the rear first, then press along the edges until each clip clicks. Make sure vents and ports stay unobstructed. If you see runs, uneven texture, or peeling, stop. Sand the affected area smooth, reprime the spot, and apply thin color coats again. That fix usually restores a uniform finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.